Now children, our next content is rate constant. What do you mean by rate constant? Rate constant is related with rate expression. This K is known as rate constant. Constant of proportionality in this rate expression is known as rate constant. Rate law. Dependence of rate on the concentration term is known as rate law. This expression is rate law. And this constant term is rate constant. Units of rate constant for different order. For zero order of reaction, as you know, zero order reaction means when concentration of reactant does not affect the rate of chemical reaction is known as zero order of reaction. Now, for what is consistent? First write this rate expression. This one. Rate is equal to K. Concentration term, right? Here concentration term is 0. Zero concentration for zero order of reaction. So what is its unit? K is equal to rate upon concentration. Only one term is left, which is the rate. Unit of K is equal to unit of rate, which is mole, liter inverse, time inverse. If time is second, then second inverse. So what is the unit of rate constant for zero order of reaction? Is mole, liter inverse, second inverse. Now, for first order of reaction, first means only one concentration term is required. And in this case, in case of first order of reaction, only one concentration term affects the rate. So K is equal to rate upon only one concentration term. Now, unit of rate is equal to mole, liter inverse. Time inverse of second inverse, time is second inverse upon concentration term. Its unit is mole, liter inverse. Right? Then what is left? Only second inverse or time inverse. So, unit of rate constant for first order of reaction is second inverse. This is important for objective types of question. For second order of reaction, here write two concentration terms. One concentration term and one more concentration term, because this is second order of reaction. How many terms are required? Two. Then write here, add one more concentration term. Again same unit of rate. Upon only one concentration term is left. It means one unit is left. Then this is unit of rate constant for second order of reaction. Last one is for third order. Third order of reaction. For third order, how many concentration terms are required? Three. Three concentration terms are required. Rate upon three concentration terms. Right? Again, same unit of rate. Mole, liter inverse, time inverse, second inverse upon mole, liter inverse into mole, liter inverse into mole, liter inverse. only 2 units are left. Write in inverted form. Unit of K is equal to mole this unit of rate constant for order of reaction. Next one, total. Order of reaction, right? Net order of reaction we can calculate using rate expression or rate law. Suppose reaction is A plus B plus C and gives D. Only one product is out. Right? Only 1%, although 3 reactants are participating according to this equation, but only 1 concentration term affects the rate of reaction. It means this is first order of reaction. So what is the rate law expression for this equation? This one. Rate is equal to A, and with respect to this one, suppose this is first order of reaction. So what is, how to write its value? First step for rate expression. Rate is equal to K. A concentration term raised to the power alpha. Alpha denotes order of reaction. B raised to the power 0, no power means 0, no power means 0. Right? This one is a square bracket. Okay. This one. Right? In second case, when two concentration terms A plus B plus C, same product D, but in this case two concentration terms are affecting the rate of reaction, then rate expression, rate is equal to K, A raised power alpha, B raised power beta, and into C. Right? Here total order of reaction is alpha plus 0 is equal to alpha, and what is its value? 1, because this is first order of reaction. Only one concentration term is affecting the rate. In this case, two concentrations with respect to first reactant, order of reaction is 1, right? And with respect to this one, order of reaction is 2, and with respect of C, order of reaction is 0, because this is not affecting the rate. In rate law expression, how to calculate total order of reaction? Rate is equal to K. A raised power 1. Actually, first of all, I am writing standard form alpha. Then B raised power beta and C concentration term gamma. So gamma is 0. Rate is equal to K. A raised power 1. So actual concentration term is only. Then B raised power 2 and C 0. What is the sum of alpha, beta and gamma? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 3. So what is total order of reaction? Is third order. What is the difference between molecularity of reaction and order of reaction? Molecularity of reaction depends upon theoretical facts. It means based on stoichiometry of any reaction, and these are experimental facts. Second, molecularity is always non-zero. At least one reactant is required, and this one may be 0, non-zero, even fraction. This is rate law. Rate is equal to K, A is power 2. It means with respect to concentration of A reactant, this is second order of reaction, right? If this concentration is doubled from initial to final. This one is just double. Then what is the effect? Then rate is equal to K 4 times. 4 times the rate. Right? So this is a problem which is based on rate expression. Concentration term is given. Final concentration term is given. We can calculate the rate of reaction.